It's your girl Tamia. We're documenting the glow up one project at a time. I don't know, I like that one. I don't know, we might keep it, but maybe it just matches with this series, so we just gotta keep it for that. As you can tell by the title, we're getting into a new DIY project. This year I wanted to focus on being more intentional, on trying new things, and just rebranding my life to be more polished and elevate some level of like self-care, or like, you know, just have fun with life and try new things in the process. Our DIY project for today is going to be a perler bead. So we're going to be doing perler beads. Instead of just going on Amazon and just ordering like a random perler bead set, I wanted to be consistent, so I just went with one brand. That brand is Pixie Craft. So this is the Pixie 120 starter pack, and they sent 5 different packs, and I'll like link it below so y'all can see it for yourselves, just in case y'all want to, like, you know, start a nice little new fun habit. I feel like, you know, trying something new really like excites or like stimulates the mind. I don't know. So they got, you know, some of the greens and the browns, and we're just gonna stack them up so everything's easy to find. Here are the reds and the yellows, some neutrals, and I think this is the one with the black, white, and transparent. Got pinks and purples. And then it's giving the blues. I don't know, I feel like we have a really good variety. So here is the starting toolkit. So we got the bead organizer that lets you pick up multiple beads, or like let you organize your beads as you go. And then I think this is where you could do like the single beads, which is why they give you one of these, just in case you want to pick it up. And the main character of it all, we have a scooper to pick up the beads. Drop them in here, shake it up a little bit. Then we take this end. Alright. And we just scoop it in there, and then you go. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. I have so many ideas. I think I want to start with 3 things. I think we're gonna start with bookmarks. We're gonna do keychains, and we might try to do like the little mini picture frames. I don't know, it just depends. I don't know, but I think we should start off with bookmarks. I think getting into a new hobby, we want to try like all of the things that come with it and see if it works for us or if it doesn't work for us. Trying one-dimensional things, 2D things, and 3D things. So maybe soon we'll be able to build the box. I don't know, it's a learning process. It's just what we're doing for this month. They sent us some tape, the iron. Yeah, I didn't have to buy the iron. I mean, we all have irons. Well,
all of us have iron.
It's not too many, but it's many enough to be good. It's so cute. Amazon just pulled up. And our main character, of course, we have our pegboards. I think these are 50 by 50 or 52 by 52. And then why they have these ends are to put in the other end and give you more room. Okay, my light went out, but it kind of looked better anyway, so let's just go with it. Who cares? But yeah, more room to create. Last but not least, what brings us to life is, you know what to call this. What do you call this? What should I go look? The name of it, you know, whenever I get there. A non-stick sheet. I'm picky about the way that like my camera setup is, and I just feel like in a way it's unstable. So if y'all fall over and it's an earthquake, just blame production. That has nothing to do with me. Oh, but it's 2.6 millimeter beads, so just keep that in mind. And I got these because of the melt, so we're about to see how it like all comes out and how our first project comes to life. And today we're just gonna use a Pinterest reference, and then maybe next episode we can get into using an app to create our own project. I don't know, I like that idea. Like maybe next time we'll just make our own design. But for right now, we're just gonna go with something we found on Pinterest. There's so many things I want to do. I was thinking about starting off with bookmarks, so I think this is like the perfect starter. So let's just do it. I'm gonna put y'all in a better position so we can lock in. Okay guys, so it color codes it, and the color codes are also on the Pixie beads. So just like H7 is on there, H7 is also on here. And you can switch it up too, off the pattern as well. But like right here it says H17 for white, and on here it says H2. So it might be just slightly outdated. But you could kind of eye it, like you could just tell. So we're just gonna use these three palettes, because most of these are H on here. And then we got a little E action for some pinks, a little bit of purple. Okay guys, so here's the pattern, here's the picture, and I'll attach the pattern somewhere, that way that y'all can get it for yourself as well. And here is the final look. So we're just about to go in with our tape and then our iron, and then we'll see the final look. Alright. Okay, my light went out. iPad dead. SOS going on. It's just too much. We got our tape, so we're just gonna go in with the tape over it, layer by layer, and I'm about to show you what I mean in a second. Third layer. Whole time we didn't even need this second pegboard, so I'm just gonna take it off. Okay, y'all, I'm about to get the iron started. Alright, now that we got her taped up, let's just go ahead and remove it. Alright, and now we're gonna take our handy dandy sheet that we can just place it over it. And now we got our iron set. All right, so we did our iron part. We did our iron process. We held it up to the light. You cannot see through it, so that means it's a time. Oh, was I supposed to let it cool down? Cute. It's hot, just a little bit. Pixel side, and this is the side that was pearled or ironed or melted. The time currently is 4:53. I think we started at 2. So, yep, you're hearing it just like I'm hearing it. It took me 2 hours to finish my first project. And I think over the time, I'm just going to keep it like a log or like track of like how long it takes me to master these things. I think it'll be fun. So, here she is again. This is the first thing we made. I am interested in using this as a book holder. I think it's super cute. I think it's very convenient, and even if we did want to change this to like a hat, like a bag charm or whatever, we got the tools that we need. So I think I'm gonna do that in the next video, is maybe like some keychains, or maybe we'll just start getting into building. But this is our first, like our 1D perler bead DIY. This is the first one out of the whole year. So yeah, it's our 2026 kickoff project. I'm excited, but I love it. So yeah, this is super fun. It was tedious because I'm sitting there like, maybe next episode it'll be like a little more educational, because this is my first time dip my toes in it. So next time we'll have a little more fun. We'll spice it up, maybe even throw in like a pop quiz or something, I don't know. But yes, you made it to the end of this video. Thank you so much. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next, or what you like. And don't forget to subscribe. We coming on a journey. Come on, we finna go. Like, we finna go. Like, yeah, loser, we're going crafting. But thank y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next episode. Who knows what we'll be doing, or where we'll even be. So, alright, see ya.